Welcome back. So in this video we are going to set up our application for library management system. So to do that we are going to use Express generator. So now let's search Express generator. What is it? So Express generator is basically used to create application a skeleton, as here you can see. So it is used to create application a skeleton to get started with. So now let's install Express generator. So to install Express generator, first type npm install -c and Express generator. Okay, so if this command doesn't work, then put sudo at the very beginning. So I have already installed Express generator, so no need to do it again. So now let's switch to your working directory, mine is workspace, and generate your application a skeleton. So to do that, first type express and folder name means your project name which you are working on. So we are working on the library management system, so just type library management system and add one flag. This flag is used, this flag tells what templating engine we are going to use. So we are using Handlebars, so just add one flag HBS and hit enter. So it will generate your skeleton project. Now switch to your project. Now as you can see here, you have several files and folders. So you have one package.json, so just install package.json. So npm install, tap npm install, and it will install all the dependencies for this project. So now let's wait for a few seconds. So I think it's done. So it is just saying that fix them. Now let's just run this and wait for a few seconds. So it will fix all the vulnerabilities available in the packages. So you can see you have node modules now. So now let's open it into our favorite editor. So you can, mine is WebStorm. You can open it into any editor. So opening it into WebStorm for it. So it's finally done. So now I will walk you through all the files. So this is our package.json. So from here, here we define all the packages and dependencies which we are going to need for our applications, and this tell our application start from here, this file bin www. So the startup script is written in the bin www, and our main application, main files most required for this project is app.js. So here we define everything like which packages we are using, where our routes are, which where means and we define every middleware. So now let's switch to node environment. Wait for a second. So now this switch to our application. So I will just how it looks on the web. So just run npm start, and it will start your application. So I'm into incognito mode because it might have some caching issue. So as here you can see your application is now running. So I will walk you through the all how this is rendering Express. So as here you can see have two routes. So one is index route and second one is user route. So if you go down here, we have written one middleware for /route and /user route. So if you type slash at the end of the URL, it will render the index route. Index route is written here, so it will render the index view, so which is present in here. So before that, to render any views, the application first check for layout file, and it will replace a present in the index views with this body. Okay, so body is replaced by index.hbs. Same for the error.hbs. Now if you go here and type /user, so you will see respond with a resource. It is returning from our user route. So now let's see what is in user route. So as here you can see, you have user route. So as I have said, we are using this /user middleware. So if you put /user, so it will redirect to user route. So it is redirecting to user route, and at the end it is putting one slash. So if you put one slash, it doesn't matter. So it will return, it will render, it will means send the response as respond with some resources. So now let's understand our view model. As here you can see, we are setting views as views directory as here. So it will first search for the view directory, and then after it will search for the layout folder, because everything are rendering in the layout folder. Then it is setting templating engine as S. Okay, so that's it for this means walkthrough. And now let's customize our application. So we don't need user route yet. We will add if we require in the future, but we don't need it yet, so deleting it. So and delete this as. Now we are going to use Bootstrap as our front end. So now let's import Bootstrap or add Bootstrap application. So just search for Bootstrap. Okay, I'm opening W3C. Okay. W3 school. Open this, go down here, try it by yourself, and copy this 4 line. Okay, now open your layout.hbs and put everything below title, and just add a script below above your closing body tag. Okay, now so as here, one thing to note is everything you add, your own CSS, everything you just to add after the Bootstrap. Okay, so now let's remove the default styling. We don't need this. We will style it according to our need. And now let's restart our application. Go to localhost 3000, and so you can see you have you can see there are some changes in the styles and the margins and paddings, etc. has. So now Bootstrap is added to our application. So in the next video, I'm going to add header and footer for this application. The next video, we are going to create a form so that we will fill the books details to our application. So for this we are going to create an API, so don't miss that. Thank you for watching.